Oh, dude, I can't. I fucking
Lotus, I
cried.
beg you to go.
Eggplant. Why is there abs on my face?
No! What's up, guys? My name is WOZENZ. If you are new to the channel, I would really appreciate if you subscribe right now. We're trying to hit 100K subscribers as quick as possible, so I would really appreciate that. But also, this video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Raid Shadow Legends is the first mobile game to bring a console-level experience to your phone. They've set the bar super high. There's no going back. Also, this headass forgot to say links in the description for the game. Use my QR code or links below to download Raid yourself. You can download the game on both iOS, Android, and PC. Oh, come over here. Let me show you. My favorite champion is Elhain, for obvious reasons. This is one of the main rare characters you can pick when you first start off the game. My other favorite, I just hatched, and is also one of my favorite ones too. Another dope thing you can do with your champions is apply equipment to make your champions even better. And honestly, the easiest way to get more gems and upgrade your champions are the campaign. It's super easy, it's a lot of fun, and I do recommend it. Now, Raid just had their 2-year anniversary. It's bigger and better than ever before. They just had a month and a half filled with tournaments, events, fucking everything. Soon they're releasing a batch of epic and legendary champions. Raid is also releasing their second version of the Doom Tower. That means new gear to win, to customize your champions, but also 2 brutal looking bosses. Kind of cute though. The Celestial Griffin and the Eternal Dragon. And with all the events, tournaments, it's never been easier to start the game, honestly. If you want to get a huge head start on Raid, click the link in the description. And if you're a new player, you'll get your free epic champion Jotun, 100k silver, 50 gems, and the 3 ancient shards so you can summon awesome champions as soon as you get in game. You will find your extra rewards here in your inbox for the next 30 days only. And it's that easy. Just click the link in the description and I'll see you in the game. And again, thank you so much, Raid Shadow Legends, for sponsoring this video. I got pink pants on. We're fucking autistic. Holy shit. Yes, sir. Let's get naked. All of us right now.
Starting with WOZENZ.
All right. No, come on.
Hercules.
Bro, I'm far from Hercules, bro. What the fuck?
No, brother, I fully understand. I gained way too much weight.
To be fair, I'm not really helping myself when I buy chips,
Yeah,
Cheerios.
same. Nah. I fully understand.
spit?
Oh, off
You
the
spilled it.
juice.
Oh my god.
What's happening?
Holy shit!
He spilled something again. Oh no.
He's destroying his entire fucking room.
Oh, I think I turned the knob.
Oh, fucking
I'm gonna keep it
shit.
like that. Perfect. Am I
No,
loud?
please. Yes,
Yes.
you are
Yeah.
loud.
Am I loud?
Don't get too attached. I have nudes.
Really?
No.
Prove it.
No.
Hey, yo, pass them over.
No. Y'all are horny as fuck. What the fuck?
Oh my god.
What was that?
Jeff!
God damn it!
Is the snake going in the glove?
Yo, it's throwing gang signs. It's throwing gang
Okay.
signs. The snake's throwing
What hood you
gang
from?
signs.
Hit him with this shit, bro.
Should we get played by a snake?
Bro, some hash browns.
Oh, hash browns are yomo.
Hash browns, bacon, sausage links, pancakes. Oh,
We're all fucking fat. What the fuck?
Quarantine made me down bad, bro.
I was down bad before your quarantine.
Oh, Tuxie. I was cutting cards footage from last time we recorded it, but there was a crimson chin part, and you said nega chin. No, it's like, and like because there's a lot of people talking, I like paused for a second and said wait, because I forgot that was a character, so I straight up thought you said the N word for no reason. Bro.
It's the nigga chin. The nigga what?
Wait, what?
And so you weren't there for that. You weren't there.
See, wait, what did I just tap it back into? What we saying? Can we reenact the "Call Me by Your Name" shit?
Oh
Please,
no,
bro.
it fell
I
over.
would give you a lap dance. WOZENZ, bro, put your lips away.
Hi, sisters.
Bro.
Hi, minors. Oh, did you see when Lil Nas dropped his song like Call Me by Your Name? He dropped like a screenshot of like about him or something. And dude, hold on, let me find the screenshot, bro. It's the guys, this shit. Oh.
I bet she smelled good.
That's not it. That's not it.
No?
All the babies, let's go. James saw 14 years old and immediately got interested.
Oh my god.
That shit had me cracking up, bro.
Oh my god.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, it's gonna hit his nuts. Oh. A homie is looking like a fucking banana peel being split open. What the fuck?
Exactly.
Bro, he kind of cheats up though.
POV, you're waiting for the new PS5. He's just waiting.
Can't wait to show my boyfriend.
Jeff, he ate a peanut. He ate a peanut, Jeff.
No.
That's so weird, bro. Nah.
Monkey! This is so dumb.
What's going on?
That scene is so upsetting.
Good shot.
Yo, I got drip. Oh, dude, I can't. I fucking
Lotus, I
cried.
beg you to go.
Eggplant!
Dude, my stomach.
Why is there abs on my face?
No!
Did you move, Lotus?
I grinded for this view.
That one fucked up your hairline. What the fuck?
I'll say that one fucked up your hair. Bro, you got the verified mark on your head. Why would the fucking image on a phone be 28? Adam, you ain't got no.
Who are you calling Pinhead? Stop.
How do you look at you? Adam, I beg you, stop. How did you give yourself a haircut? You've got no waves. Dude, fucking take it away, man. I can't look at that. I needed this, thank you. Dude, I fucking go with this shit.
Fucking hell, bro.
Dude, this is a torture technique, you know.
Bro fist. Oh,
Just drops, dog.
Yeah.
Oh god, that looks so dry.
See, you look at Lulu, she's so happy, and then you look at Phoebe, and it's like, what? Put me the fuck back down, you old fuck.
I'm on drugs. I've been high for the past 2 days. Shit.
you're a little shit, aren't you? You're a little shit. You're a little shit.
You shit again, I'm not gonna fucking feed you again, little shit.
I'm Tom Brady.
Bro, he's chilling.
His name is Samuel.
No, it's actually Raymond or something. It's like a Viking name, not ramen. No, grow up.
Ramen.
I feel terrible for laughing, but that's fucking hilarious.
He got bonked by his
I
leg.
hear the fucking Taco Bell sound.
Why aren't you full screen?
Dude, I really need to shave my fucking chest. That looks disgusting.
Yeah, same. Same. And what the fuck are you doing?
What the fuck?
Dentists in the future be like, hey, open your mouth real quick.
I'm trying.
Bro, I can fit my entire phone in my heart.
Oh, what the?
Now slide it further. Just.
Oh, I nearly got it. It's
Oh,
working.
you got it.
Yeah.
Show me your cock now.
Gosh, Buffalo.
Oh, okay, all right.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I got it working now. So I got
Adam, your
mine.
mom's gonna be really proud seeing that on the internet.
So HD.
So wow. Oh,
Okay,
oh,
that's not what I was
okay.
looking to see, man.
Have fun blowing that bitch.
Do it again, mate.
No. I'm not gonna get that. This bro looking mad sus.
Buffalo, I found your new ice cream treat
Thank you, man.
or
Ice cream?
pop treat or whatever the fuck. Genuinely, that looks like it needs to go up someone's ass. Not fucking
I know.
bussy mix. I didn't even see that.
Did it say that? Bussy mix.
She's looking at him like, bro, can you just throw my ball, please?
Tux is going fucking insane.
She confused.
Oh my god.
She's just looking at you like, bro, please stop.
You're deafened. You're... Oh my god, bro.
He's just smiling.
You're deafened, bro.